how is your experience, and then these other leading cities, really, how is this pushing forward reuse around deconstruction, around sort of reconstruction, around materials? And really, how is that experience now being woven into the current the current narrative of reuse, which is it's not easy. It's not easy to do in the corporate space.
It's always, I think it's always easier to communicate with somebody about asking them to change behavior when you yourself have experienced that work directly. So it's much easier for me to talk to architects because I'm a licensed architect, so I understand where they're coming from.
Yes.
It's easier for me to talk to building contractors because I spent most of my career on job sites and I've worked in construction administration. And so being in that position means that I have hopefully a little bit of empathy for the process and understand where the limitations are and what they might be dealing with. So instead of kind of coming at this blindly, and the Department of Environment is really good about bringing together folks that are going to be impacted by policy before creating the policy. So that's one thing I really respect for the department as a convener, that we do that with other departments, but we also do that with members of the public or industry professionals that are going to be on the kind of user side of policy. And so we continue to do that. And with the building materials stuff, we've been working very closely with the Bay Area Sustainable Construction leaders, a number of leading architects and consultants who very kindly and generously give of their time or their expertise and knowledge. They answer the phone if we call with questions. And so I think that's been a real help as we work to develop deconstruction policy and as we really get to this next chapter for what does it mean when we are thinking about procuring materials for a building project.